Assalamu alaikum students, I hope you all are doing good. My name is Kashmala Ashraf and today I am here to write about inference and how you can find the right information. In technical and business communication, reading is not always about reading every word slowly and carefully. Professionals often need to read large amount of information in a very short period of time. Reports, manuals, proposals, emails and research documents contain valuable information that must be introduced or understand quickly and accurately. Therefore, ability to make inferences and to find specific and general information quickly is an essential skill. In this lecture, explains the concept of inference and discusses the technique that help readers find both general and specific information quickly in technical and business texts. So, understanding inferences. Definition of inference is the process of drawing conclusion based on the evidence and reasoning rather than explicit statements. In other words, when readers make an inference, they combine the information in the text with their own knowledge and experience to understand the writer's implied meaning. Writers in technical and business contexts do not always explain everything directly. Instead, they expect the readers to interpret the information logically. Therefore, inference becomes an important reading skill. Let's start with the importance of inference in your professional communication. In professional environments, inference helps readers understand hidden meaning, identity implications, and interpret complex information. For example, consider the following sentence. The sales figure for the last quarter have declined significantly and the company has decided to review its marketing strategy. The writer does not directly say that the marketing strategy may be not effective. However, the reader can infer that the decline in sales is likely the reasons the company wants to review its strategy. Such interpretations help managers and employees understand the situation more deeply and respond appropriately. So, let's begin with the types of inferences. There are several types of inferences that readers may make while reading technical and business documents. Let's start with the first one. Logical inference. Logical inference involves drawing conclusion based on facts presented in the text. For example, if a report states that the production cost increased while profits decreased, the reader may infer that the higher cost affected profitability. Now, the second type is contextual inference. This type of inference helps reader understand unfamiliar terms or concepts using surrounding information. For example, if a document says the system experienced latency causing delays in the data transmission, even if the reader does not know the exact meaning of latency, the context suggests that it refers to some type of delay. Now, the third type is predictive inference. Predictive inference allows readers to anticipate what might happen next based on the current information. For instance, if a project report mentions repeated delays and budget issues, reader may predict that the project might require revisions or extension. Now, finding general information quickly. About this, in business and technical contexts, readers often need to understand the overall message of document quickly. This requires identifying general information, which is also known as the main idea. What is general information? General information refers to the overall purpose or the main point of a text. It tells reader what the document is mainly about. For examples, general information include the main objective of the report, the central argument of the proposal, the primary purpose of an email or memo. Understanding the general information allows to grasp the main idea message without reading every detail. There are few techniques that you can use for identifying these general information. Several reading techniques can help readers quickly identify the main idea of a text. The first one is skimming. Skimming is a reading technique used to quickly get the overall idea of document. Instead, reading the every sentence, reader focus on key parts of the text. When skimming a document, readers usually look at the title, headings, subheadings, the introduction, the first and last paragraphs, sentences of the paragraphs, the conclusion. These sections often contain the main or the most important ideas. For example, when skimming a technical report, the reader might read the introduction and conclusion to understand the purpose and the result of the report. Now, the second point is, or the second type is, reading topic sentences. In every paragraph, the topic sentence appears at the beginning and they summarize the main idea of the paragraph. By reading topic sentences, readers can quickly understand the key points of the text. The technique is essentially or especially useful when reviewing long reports or research papers. Observing visuals. Elements, technical and business documents often include charts, graphs, tables and diagrams. These visual elements provide general information quickly and help readers understand complex ideas. For instance, a sales graph can immediately show whether sales increased or decreased over time. Finding specific information quickly while general information gives the overall message, readers also need to locate the specific details such as numbers, names, dates or instructions. What is specific information? Starting with the definition, it refers to the precise facts or details within a text. For example, particular statistic in a report are detailed, mentioned in email, a step in technical procedure, the cost of a project in proposal. All these are specific information that being able to quickly locate such details is essential in professional environment. Techniques for finding these specific information may help you or the readers quickly locate the particular pieces of information. There are some techniques that I will tell you so that you can find this specific information. The first one is scanning. Scanning is a reading technique used to search for specific information in a text. Instead of reading every sentence, readers move their eyes quickly over the document looking for keywords or numbers. For example, if a reader wants to find the deadline of the project in a report, they might scan the document for words such as deadline date or specific number. Scanning is very useful when dealing with long documents such as manuals or business reports. You can also use using keywords. Keywords are important terms related to the information being searched for. By identifying keywords, readers can locate relevant sections quickly. For example, if a manager wants information about budget allocation, they can look for a section containing words such as budget, cost, financial plan or expenses. Keywords guide reader directly to the relevant information. Now, you can also use headings and subheadings to locate the specific information. In technical and business documents, they are usually structured. Subheadings are always there. By reading headings, readers can quickly identify where the certain information is located. For example, in technical manual, sections might include installation instructions, safety guidelines, troubleshooting, maintenance procedures and so on. If a reader wants troubleshooting information, they can directly go to that section only. Using list and bullet points, it will also help you to locate the specific problems or information. List and bullets points highlights important details and make information easier to locate. Many business documents use bullet points to prevent steps, instructions or the key facts. These structures help readers to quickly understand and identify specific information without reading the long paragraphs. The practical importance of the technical and business field of inferences and finding these information. These reading skills are particularly valuable in professional settings. In business, managers and employees often read emails, financial reports, proposals, and market analysis. These being able to quickly identify the main idea, important details helps them to inform decisions. For example, a manager reviewing a proposal must quickly understand the purpose of the project and look at key details such as cost, timeline, and expected benefits. In technical fields, engineers, technical professionals frequently consult manuals, research papers, project documentations. They need to locate instructions, specifications, or data quickly while also interpreting technical information correctly. Inference helps them to understand the implication of technical data and anticipate possible outcomes. So, conclusion. Concluding this lecture, we have discussed inference and the ability to find the specific and general information quickly and how they are essential in the technical and business communication. These skills, allow professionals to make or process the large amount of data of written information efficiently and accurately. Inference helps reader interpret meanings that are not directly stated, while techniques such as skimming, scanning enables them to locate general and specific information repeatedly. By identifying key ideas, recognizing important details, and drawing logical conclusions, readers can understand inference and general information. So that was all from today. Hope to meet you next time. Allah Hafiz.